Hello everybody, welcome to the Pound Trader. I will be making an analysis for the Pound USD for Thursday, 4th of April and 5th of April, which is Friday. Welcome to the chat. So we'll just start over with the weekly time frame. Looking at the weekly time frame here, I can see some consolidations. Now this is not looking too good for me because I've been looking for sells because I can still see that we are ranging in this area over here, but I still think that because price is still hovering around the 71.8% fib level, I still think that there is a potential of us going down still and maybe coming up to down here before going up. So if you've watched my videos, then you know that I am biased on the sell side on the bigger time frames. Just looking at the moving averages, I can see that there is a 50 EMA that's over here that's giving some pressure, and I believe that's why we are sort of moving up. We have some bullish momentum, but hopefully it doesn't push the price too further up because I'm hoping for the sells. So moving over to the daily time frame. Okay, so with the daily time frame as well, also if we see price broke below here, sort of came for a retracement, and if I also open my moving averages, we can see that the 20 and 50 are just crossing, and I think this is like confirmation for me as to maybe some sell pressure might start happening because moving average crosses, it's normally a pretty good signal. But also aside from just the indicators, I also think that we are retracing because we are at the 50% fib level, and hopefully when we go to the lower time frames, I can see whether we can get proper candlestick confirmations. Okay, so going over to the 4-hour time frame. So we are here, the last video which I made for Monday. I had this forecast of a symmetrical triangle, and we had like this breakout and then a retracement back here. I wasn't able to catch the retracement. Maybe I'll tell you why in the 1-hour time frame. But as per now, I can see that price is it has moved back to this point over here, which is still fine by me. I think this looks pretty good because let's see, yes. So that's prices at the 50% fib level, and we had a retracement around this level as well, and here. So what I'm waiting for, I was hoping that this would happen today, but basically I will be waiting for a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. Now I don't make trades on the 4-hour time frame, but I would like to see this candle engulfing that one to just make me a bit more confident to confirm, the shorts. Something like that would be cool, but for me, I would really just hope that this candle closes below this candle over here, and that would be now confirmation for me to enter a sell. So just going to the lower time frames now, the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so we are here. So now, as I said on Monday, as much as I was kind of right on the forecast on the sell side, which was nice, but there was no retracement for me. There was no position for me to enter. So unfortunately, I didn't get a trade there, but I did get a trade around this level here. I got a retracement. I have a strategy for retracements as well. And most of the times I use 4-hour confirmation candles to get my retracement. I don't know if that makes sense. So anyway, like that, if I look here on the 4-hour, we had a bullish engulfing candle over here. Sorry. And yeah, so I took a buy position there, which was cool because it hit TP. Now here we can see now today we have some wicks on this level here, which is the level that I had on the 4-hour time frame. Now I still don't have any candle on the 1-hour that is telling me that I should sell. However, my strategy today, I don't have a zone, but normally this is yesterday's high, which is I don't know, Wednesday or whatever. Yeah, Wednesday's high. This is Wednesday's high over here, and we can see that today price closed above yesterday's high here. Didn't have enough momentum to push up. So what I will be waiting for as confirmation for me, aside from just the 4-hour candle, I would like to see price break maybe below this level, even just below that level, a retracement up, and then now confirming the sells on that side. Yeah, but if I do get a bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour, I'll still take it regardless of the setup here because I also have a strategy based on the 4-hour time frame. I hope I'm not talking too much, but anyway, that's my forecast. I'm really hoping that it doesn't push above this because, if it does, then that means the buys will be coming up. But if I also get a red candle over here that's also closing below this level, I'll also be, sort of confident to take a sell. So yeah, that's my bias. Looking at the dollar index very, very quickly. Let's see what's happening here. So yes, the dollar has been retracing almost now. I'm not sure if this is like a double top. I don't know if it will retrace up to here again, but it has been retracing. I don't know how far it might retrace. This level looks good, but I'm also, again, not too sure. Maybe just going to the 4-hour time frame to just see things more clearly. Yeah, I mean, this level looks good. If there's a bullish engulfing candle over here, I think that we might continue, you know, the path above. That's what I'm thinking. But, you know, maybe price might retrace again, but I don't know. I like this position over here. So maybe we'll see. We'll see if something happens. So anyway, yes, that's my forecast for today. On the 4-hour time frame, just waiting for that sell, and you know, hopefully now momentum can continue because the pound has just been really, really stressful to trade. I'm sorry if my charts look like a lot, but yeah. Just news today. We have news at 4. Sorry, what time? I'm in Kenya, so we have news tomorrow on Friday at USD news, NFP, non-farm employment change, unemployment rates, average hourly earnings. This is East African time because I'm based in Kenya. Anyway, I hope I've made sense. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for everyone who's always interacting in the comments with me. I really appreciate that because we're able to, you know, tackle the markets together. All right, thank you. Have a nice weekend. Look forward to my next video, which will be an analysis for Monday, depending on how Friday plays out. Bye-bye.